Hey, this is James Francis, and the other day I was looking through my old YouTube channel and I found a video called The 5 Reasons Why Working From Home is Awesome. This video was recorded in 2016, so I'm very skinny, I look a bit ill, but you can see I've obviously gained a bit of muscle now and actually I'm not super skinny, but the video it made me laugh, put it that way. So I'm going to recreate this video based on me presenting the clips in between and showing you the old footage as well, because I think honestly we could all do with a bit of laughter right now, and also with everyone working from home right now in quarantine, assuming that everything is hopefully okay for you and everything is going well, fingers crossed it is, that you're working from home and you're kind of having to struggle with the good sides and the bad sides of working from home. So hopefully this video makes you laugh, but first, the number one thing that I love about working from home is that you don't need to do the daily commute. You can literally just get out of bed and go straight to work, like this. Time for work. Reason number 2 is that we have the freedom to work from anywhere as long as we have our laptops with us.
I fancy a change of location.
Also, you can structure your day however you like. If you want to wake up at 2 in the afternoon, great, go for it. If you want to get up early and finish early as well, so you can spend more time with your family, that's great too. Time to go outside. Reason number 4 is that you don't have to shave every day and you can grow an awesome beard.
Not today.
And finally, you don't have to dress up in office attire. You can literally just wear whatever you want, even be naked. Nah, let's go with a t-shirt. So there we go. Hopefully you will enjoy working from home and take this as the great opportunity that it is to be able to just have more freedom with your lifestyle, even if you are stuck inside for the time being. Alright, so if you've enjoyed this video, go to YouTube, give it a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also let me know in the comments below, what are your great things about working from home? What do you enjoy? What do you not enjoy? And if you have screaming kids, I'm so sorry for your situation. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to the next one, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Stay safe, stay home, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye-bye.